Shalom Uvracha. You know that we're collecting for this amazing and broken family that lost their father. I am trying to collect and gather at least $10,000 that will allow them to purchase some very significant things that are essential for their life, even though I would hope and wish to be able to give them way, way more. It's very hard for me every time to speak with the widow, see the sorrow in her eyes, thinking about the orphans that were forced to live without their father. The deep pain and the trauma are not things that we are able to heal. But to give a hand is definitely a precious and most important thing to do. And hopefully revealed miracles and hope will shine back from the eyes of the family. I bless you from the bottom of my heart that you and your loved ones will never experience such sorrow in your lives. Amen.
Save me